1. 1988 Ford Mustang GT Hatchback 2D. Price, $13,000, located Louisville, Kentucky. This 1988 Ford Mustang GT hatchback is a classic Fox-body performance machine powered by a built 5.0 engine paired with a ProCharger setup that delivers strong acceleration and an aggressive driving feel. Equipped with a manual T5 transmission, racing clutch, and upgraded cable system, this Mustang offers a true old-school street performance experience. The car features a bright red exterior with matching red interior that gives it an authentic late 80s appearance. Showing just over 31,000 documented miles, the vehicle spent much of its life sitting in storage and was originally an Alabama car before moving to Kentucky. The body is reported to be 99% rust-free with very solid floors and shock towers. Minor bubbling around the sunroof is visible from previous paint preparation work, while an older quarter panel repair was completed years ago before repainting. Inside, the cabin remains mostly original with classic Fox body styling throughout. This Mustang runs and drives strong and represents an exciting opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts searching for a powerful vintage American muscle car with upgraded performance components and classic street presence. 2. 1971 Ford Maverick. Price, $30,000, located Linville, Indiana. This 1971 Ford Maverick is a professionally built drag car designed for serious performance and competitive racing. Sitting on a custom square tube chassis, the car features a powerful twin turbocharged setup combined with a highly modified suspension system for maximum traction and stability. Under the hood is a Dart IE block engine with Yates heads, upgraded valve train components, Jezel hardware, and a turbo grind camshaft. The engine was recently refreshed and has only a few hours of total runtime since completion. A Blueprint E85 carburetor system and twin 67 turbochargers provide impressive horsepower potential, while the JW Powerglide transmission and diode converter deliver smooth power transfer. The rear end includes 35 spline axles, ladder bars, McCamus anti-roll system, and adjustable shocks for race-ready handling. Additional upgrades include Willwood brakes, onboard air compressor, chute release system, and 16-volt electrical setup. Finished in blue, this Maverick is an aggressive race build that offers exceptional performance for drag racing enthusiasts searching for a powerful custom classic machine. 3. 1988 Isuzu Regular Cab S Long Bed. Price, $7,500, located Ligonier, Indiana. This 1988 Isuzu Regular Cab Long Bed is a highly customized street truck featuring extensive engine and suspension upgrades built for both performance and unique styling. Powered by a rebuilt motor with port-matched heads and intake, the engine has been carefully modified for improved airflow and stronger performance. A Holley 750 electric choke carburetor, performance headers, and upgraded cooling components help the truck deliver reliable power on the street. The automatic transmission has also been upgraded and includes an external transmission cooler with an electric fan mounted beneath the bed. Rear axle modifications and traction bars improve stability during acceleration while preventing axle rotation under heavy torque. One of the most impressive features is the fully modified frame setup with adjustable air suspension, allowing the truck to sit low for show-style cruising or race for everyday driving comfort. The bright yellow exterior gives the truck a bold appearance that perfectly matches its custom personality. This Isuzu still runs and drives well and offers a rare combination of mini truck culture, hot rod attitude, and vintage custom performance styling. 4. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price, $30,000, located Strafford, Missouri. This 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle is a serious big block street and strip machine built with high-quality performance components throughout. Powered by a strong 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine, the car delivers aggressive horsepower combined with proven drag racing reliability. The engine setup includes a Holley Dominator carburetor, aluminum intake manifold, stainless headers, MSD ignition system, and electric fuel and water pumps for dependable performance under demanding conditions. Paired with a Powerglide automatic transmission featuring a high stall converter and trans brake, this Chevelle is designed for quick launches and strong acceleration. The drivetrain also includes a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear end with strange axles for added durability. Suspension upgrades such as tubular A-arms, adjustable shocks, and rear coilovers improve handling and stability on the street or at the drag strip. Finished in green with a black interior, the car has a clean, aggressive appearance complemented by Mickey Thompson tires and classic muscle car styling. This Chevelle is a fully built performance classic that runs strong and is ready to drive, race, or show. 5. 1965 Dodge Dart Hemi Gasser. Price, $42,500, located Walled Lake, Michigan. This 1965 Dodge Dart Hemi Gasser is an authentic old-school drag-inspired build combining vintage muscle car style with extreme modern performance. Under the hood sits a freshly built 511 cubic inch blown Hemi Mega Block engine paired with a matching high-performance transmission designed to handle serious horsepower. The car features a striking two-tone burgundy and bronze paint scheme enhanced by retro racing graphics that perfectly capture the classic Gasser-era appearance. Built for drag-and-drive events as well as street cruising, this Dodge Dart includes a full roll cage, racing bucket seats, and custom floor shifter inside a race-focused interior. High-quality aftermarket components have been installed throughout the build to ensure strength, reliability, and performance under demanding conditions. The raised front stance, aggressive wheels, and vintage styling details give the car an unmistakable presence whether parked at a car show or launching down the track. This Hemi-powered Dart is a rare opportunity for collectors and performance enthusiasts searching for a professionally built classic American gasser with incredible power and timeless drag racing character. 6. 1964 Chevrolet Nova SS. Price, $12,000, located Edwardsville, Illinois. This 1964 Chevrolet Nova SS is a classic drag car project with strong hot rod potential and a true vintage racing atmosphere. Built as a lightweight roller setup, the vehicle features fiberglass hood, bumpers, fenders, and deck lid designed to reduce weight and improve overall drag strip performance. The car includes a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear end with 31 spline axles and aggressive 4.56 gearing for strong acceleration off the line. The suspension remains mostly stock in the front while the body maintains a solid structure with reported zero rust throughout. This Nova carries the appearance of an old-school time capsule race car that could easily become an impressive street or strip build with the right finishing touches. The lightweight setup and classic muscle car proportions give the vehicle a bold and aggressive stance that stands out among vintage drag cars. While the car still requires tub work and additional assembly, it provides an excellent foundation for a serious performance build. This 1964 Nova SS is ideal for collectors, racers, or enthusiasts searching for a genuine classic Chevrolet platform with authentic hot rod history and strong customization potential. 7. 1979 Chevrolet El Camino Drag Car Roller. Price, $11,000, located Fulton, Illinois. This 1979 Chevrolet El Camino Drag Car Roller is a professionally built race chassis designed for high-horsepower drag racing applications. The vehicle has been back-halved from the firewall rearward and is already configured for a big-block Chevrolet engine paired with a Powerglide transmission setup. Built with performance in mind, the chassis includes a 4-link rear suspension system, Ford 9-inch rear end, quick performance center section with 4.56 gears, Willwood brakes, and strange adjustable shocks for improved handling and traction at the track. Additional race components include a Bandit air shifter, MSD ignition system, Mega delay box, digital switch panel, relay board, and lightweight racing electronics. The interior features a Kirky racing seat along with Lexan windows and fiberglass body components to reduce weight. Finished in pearl white with metallic red accents, the paint gives the car a clean professional race appearance. Riding on large rear slicks, this El Camino has an aggressive drag racing stance and is an excellent foundation for anyone wanting a competitive classic race truck with serious track potential. 8. 1964 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. Price, $28,500, located Owensville, Missouri. This 1964 Chevrolet Malibu Classic is a clean and well-maintained American muscle car featuring timeless styling and dependable V8 performance. Powered by a strong 350 cubic inch engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, the car delivers smooth acceleration and comfortable cruising for both weekend drives and local car shows. The vehicle benefits from an older restoration that has been carefully preserved over the years, maintaining its classic appearance and solid mechanical condition. Finished in black, the exterior presents a sleek and aggressive look that perfectly complements the iconic mid-60s Chevrolet body lines. According to the seller, the car runs excellent and can easily be driven long distances with confidence. The body is reported to be rust-free, making it an attractive option for collectors searching for a solid vintage platform without major structural concerns. Inside, the cabin retains its classic character with a simple and clean layout that reflects the original era of the vehicle. This Malibu Classic combines reliability, style, and traditional muscle car appeal in one enjoyable classic Chevrolet package. 9. 1980 Chevrolet Camaro LS Coupe 2D. Price, $16,000, located Columbia, Missouri. This 1980 Chevrolet Camaro LS Coupe is a clean second-generation muscle car equipped with strong street performance upgrades and classic American styling. Powered by a 350 cubic inch engine fitted with a mild performance camshaft, headers, and a Holley carburetor, the car offers a responsive driving experience along with the deep exhaust tone enthusiasts expect from a vintage Camaro. The factory 4-speed manual transmission adds to the authentic muscle car feel and provides excellent driver engagement on the road. Finished in gray with a black interior, the car has a clean and aggressive appearance that highlights the sharp body lines of the late 70s and early 80s Camaro design. The vehicle is described as very clean and has been well cared for both mechanically and cosmetically. Inside, the black interior maintains a sporty atmosphere with classic gauges and comfortable seating. This Camaro combines reliable V8 power, manual transmission performance, and timeless styling into a classic package that is ideal for collectors, weekend cruising, or local car events and gatherings. 10. 1976 Chevrolet Vega Chrome. Price, $25,000, located Cleveland, Ohio. This 1976 Chevrolet Vega Chrome is a fully built race car designed for serious drag strip performance and powered by an aggressive 540 big block Chevrolet engine. Constructed on a full square tube chassis, the vehicle has been professionally prepared for high horsepower racing while maintaining the unmistakable appearance of the legendary Grumpy Jenkins-inspired Vega drag cars. The drivetrain includes a heavy-duty Dana rear end combined with a ladder bar suspension setup that provides excellent traction and stability during hard launches. Finished in black with a white interior, the car has a clean race-ready appearance that stands out both on and off the track. Extensive performance upgrades throughout the chassis and drivetrain make this Vega a true turnkey race machine ready for competition or exhibition use. The lightweight body combined with the powerful big block engine creates an impressive power-to-weight ratio that delivers serious acceleration potential. Owned by only 2 previous owners and maintained as a dedicated performance vehicle, this Chevrolet Vega represents a rare opportunity for collectors and racing enthusiasts searching for a professionally built vintage drag car with authentic old-school racing character and proven performance capability. 11. 1970 Dodge Challenger R/T drag car. Price, $15,500, located St. Joseph, Missouri. This 1970 Dodge Challenger R/T drag car is a rare original 383 R/T model transformed into a vintage drag racing machine during the late 70s. The vehicle still retains its original paint and vinyl roof, preserving much of its authentic muscle car heritage while showcasing its long history as a dedicated drag build. Originally equipped as a 4-speed R/T car, this Challenger later became a race platform powered by a Ray Barton Hemi combination. The car is being offered as a rolling chassis without engine or transmission, making it an ideal foundation for a custom high-performance build. Features include an original fiberglass direct connection hood, Pro Star wheels, Willwood front disc brakes, Dana 60 rear end, wheelie bars, polished interior panels, and professionally finished tin work throughout the cabin and engine bay. The body maintains an aggressive drag racing stance with large rear slicks and classic period-correct race styling. This Challenger combines genuine Mopar muscle car history with serious drag racing character, making it an exciting opportunity for collectors or racers looking for an authentic vintage race car platform with strong potential and unmistakable 70s performance style. 12. 1976 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $20,000, located Tulsa, Oklahoma. This 1976 Chevrolet Nova is a powerful street and strip muscle car featuring a strong 454 cubic inch engine paired with a smooth 700 R4 automatic transmission. Built with performance and aggressive styling in mind, the vehicle includes several upgraded components designed to improve both power and drivability. The engine setup is enhanced with nitrous capability and line lock functionality, giving the car additional drag racing potential while maintaining reliable street manners. Finished in gray with a black interior, the Nova presents a clean and intimidating appearance that perfectly matches its high-performance personality. Additional custom touches include shaved door handles, roll cage installation, and a Viper immobilizer security system for added protection. The paint, trim, and glass are all reported to be in excellent condition, while the interior features aftermarket odometer gauges that provide accurate performance monitoring. With only 2 owners and a clean title, this Nova has been carefully maintained and remains in strong mechanical condition. Combining big block power, classic Chevrolet styling, and serious street machine upgrades, this 1976 Nova is an outstanding choice for collectors and muscle car enthusiasts alike.